To enable Edge Panel in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you'll need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter display options right here. Then we can scroll down until we find the Edge Panels. You can activate this, and that way you should see the Edge Panel somewhere on your screen. For me, it's on the left right here. I can swipe it like this to access the icons on it. You can always click on the Edge Panel options like that, and then switch what will be visible on the panels. You can disable or enable them, and you can click on Edit button to change the icons for them as well. Then there's a handle. You can change the position to the left or right side depending on how you like it. You can lock the handle position, that way you won't be able to move it, and you can here also move it to the up and down like this, but only if you enter this option with lock handle position active. Then you can change the color for it so it's much more visible. Select the transparency for that color and adjust the size. Lastly, we have show in landscape mode, so that means if you turn your phone over and it rotates, then it will be visible if this option is active. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.